To run Windows 11 on your computer, you must have a Trusted Platform Module 2.0 enabled by default on your system. But what is a Trusted Platform Module? It's all about security. TPM 2.0 is essentially implemented in one of two ways. It can be a chip that is installed on the motherboard and used to provide tamper-proof security-related functions. This is known as Discrete TPM or DTPM. It can also be Software TPM or FWTPM, a function provided in the system's core chipset. This must be enabled by default in a Lenovo factory. Passwords, certificates, or encryption keys are stored on the system, preventing hackers or software-based attacks from accessing sensitive data or attacking the operating system's boot process. Since 2018, all Lenovo PCs are manufactured with TPM 2.0 enabled by default. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.